Hey guys, it's me, Joey the Gamer Chaser 1099, and we have Hurricane Fiona. So there are some light batches of rain. Hold up, let me refresh my map real quick. Hold up. Let's see if there's anything new. Alright, let's see. Alright, so, Hurricane Fiona looks like it's doing something. But anyways, let's see if there's any light pockets of rain inside the heavy rain batches. I did see one earlier. I think it was like around this area. Yeah, it was around this area. I think it was like right here, so? Like right around here. I don't know, I must have forgot. But let's look at the storms up here down over here. Alright, so parts of South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida, and parts of Bahamas or Marsh Harbor. No, that's still part of Bahamas, I think. And some of Cuba's gonna get impacted too, so storms will pop up over here today. And down over and up here, there are rainstorms. There, I can spot them. One right here. Uh-oh. Hold up. Alright, I sneezed. Alright, so we have rainstorms. Another one up in Ontario and Quebec. And there's the big one right here. It's mainly hitting Quebec and Ontario. And some of... Wait, is this New York? Oh, I don't know what... Hold on. Yeah, Maine's getting impacted. Vermont, that's New York, sorry. And it won't show up on here what this location is. My guess this would be Vermont. That's my guess, because it won't show up. And there's one over here too. Yeah, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and in a small portion of Maine, mainly hitting Nova Scotia. Oh yeah, and there's this one isolated one here too. It's a heavy rainstorm, and it looks like it's only hitting Newfoundland and parts of the Atlantic. Very small parts of the Atlantic. Alright, let's look over here. Lots of bad things happened here last night. There was a probability of tornadoes, slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Johnny! Yeah, sorry, that was my brother. He just yelled at me. Alright, so let's see here. Alright. Alright, so tornadoes happened here. Very strong severe thunderstorms happened here. With 70 miles per hour, with hail up near 3 inches, and some severe thunderstorms, and maybe some storms produced 80 mile per hour winds. Some 70 and 75. Alright. Nothing really much over here, but just one isolated storm. And over here, there's something. I think this started yesterday or 2 days ago. Oh, hey look. Some snow is starting to come up. It's a mountainous county, I think. yeah, so there's a low pressure system up in northern California. There's some snow showers. Expect some snow showers up these mountains. And some near some areas that are very cold. And what's up here is really what the main force it is. Alright, San Francisco, light rain so far, and possibly heavy rain, or it's possibly a thunderstorm. Alright, and we have a couple of snow showers. Some up here, two up there, and over here. Yeah, there's snow up there. It's only gonna be light snow. See, snow. Yeah, it's starting to snow in some of the mountains over here. But where it first started snowing, I think it was like up where Wyoming is. Like, yeah, see? Yeah, it was starting to snow up here when it came. Some parts over here. Well, that's our morning forecast. Bye guys, more enjoy the Gamer Chaser. Peace.